A very complicated formation to fly, but it is one of our signature moves for this year. The aim is to form that heart in the sky, and we always do this as a tribute, and this weekend we'd like to make a special dedication to all members of the 453rd Bomber Wing of the United States Air Force. Lining up on their landing position towards the drop zone safety team, and I want to introduce you to the team as they come into land. Like I said, you've been brilliant so far with the cheers and claps, but this is the time to give as much round of applause and cheers as you can. So I'm just going to run you through who the team is today. Sergeant Bobby Benary, Falcon 6, Sergeant Doug McCall. And here they come, perfect information as they come down to land. And here they turn into their ducks position for landing. This is incredibly hard to do, ladies and gentlemen, so again, keep the cheering going. This is amazing stuff. Spontaneous journey, trying to stay in front of the public so you can have and that is certainly the case. Now, public on holiday. Exactly so, and here yet another fabulous view. So as Peter says, get on the website. We're always talking to you about digging into your pocket, which is never an easy. Talking of eye-watering, if you want a good one today, and we're looking at one, you need half space. Letting him fly the shape as it will. Too much of a hurry. Black and white split. Climb over the top. Leading edge flap, long door light, rear flap. Close line is our replica door. Dwayne Francis. Enraged, he's firing out of the door. He's determined to have a go at the Germans. He doesn't know it, but if he brings this machine down, it's the last shoot down.
for long-range anti-submarine patrol, boat-like structure of the fuselage,